Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna do 2 Valentine makeup looks. But before we jump in, please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell and follow me on all my social media accounts, and please keep on watching. Okay, so as I mentioned before, we're doing today 2 Valentine makeup looks. One of them should be like a simple, very quick, easy to do Valentine makeup look, and the other one is more glamorous, like full-on Valentine makeup look. Also, excuse my baby hair, I just curled my hair and it's going everywhere. I'm also trying on these Kiss Impress On nails. Let me know if you want like a tutorial and a full review on them. I'll put a picture here on how they look and the shade that I'm actually using. And let's get into the makeup. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the more glam look. So I'm gonna start with my skin first. So I've already prepped my skin, did all my skincare. So let's go in with the concealer and foundation. Now, because I'm gonna be using a medium coverage foundation, I'm gonna spot conceal first. So I'll just do the face makeup real quick and we'll get back into the eye makeup. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this palette, the Juvia's Place Magic Mini palette. I've made a demo review and first impression about this palette. I'll link it up here. I'll start by mixing this color and this color in my crease. And I'll tap off the excess because it's very pigmented. Just for transition, I'm gonna buff it into my crease like this. Then I'll take this color, Kogi, which is a kind of a reddish, pinkish reddish shade. I'll also run it into my crease, just to add a little bit of a pink hue to my crease like this. And now I'll take the same color and add it to my outer corner just to give a little more depth to the eye look. Okay, I want to go a little bit deeper on the outer corners. So I'm going to be using another palette here, which is the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. And I'm going to be using this black shade here, Jet, just to deepen up my outer corner a little bit more. Yeah, see what I'm talking about? Just a little bit more depth to the look. And also to give this gradient effect to the eye. And now I'll take this shade here, Weekender, just to buff out the edges of this eye look. Just a little bit on the brush and diffuse all the harsh edges. And now I'll go offline for a second to do a winged liner and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the wing. I also created this negative space with the concealer so that we can add some shimmer in it. So let's get into that. So back to the Juvia's Place palette, I'm gonna use this shade here, Zuba, which is a kind of a pinkish shimmery shade. I'll add that to the outer corner of the wing. Let's hope it's pigmented. If not, we can add some Fix Plus to it. Yeah, I think I need some Fix Plus. So I'll just spray some Fix Plus on the brush to intensify the color of the shimmer. Let's hope this works. Yeah, I think it works, but I want to go a little bit lighter than this. So I'm gonna take this shade instead, which is Awesome. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, what do you think? I think it looks great. And of course we'll clean this up with concealer after we finish the eye look. And if you think this is not wearable and you can't go out like that, I'm gonna create a simpler look later on in the video. So stay tuned. I'll also go over the black liner to clean up any mess I created with the shimmer eyeshadow. Okay, I went offline for a second to apply my lashes, and now let's do the face makeup. Now I'll be using this sleek Face Form contouring and blush palette to do some contouring and giving some warmth to my face. And now for blush, I'm gonna be using this NARS Exposed Cheeks palette, and I'm gonna be using this pink shade here, which is called New Fling, I guess. And for highlighter, I'm gonna be using the highlight shade in the same palette, which is called Tell All. And I forgot to do my eyebrows, so I'm gonna do that real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so to finish up the eyes, I'll run this shade here through my lower lash line, really close to the lash line. And then finally I'll mix those shades again and buff out the edges of these colors. And then I want to add some more highlighter in my inner corners and brow bones. It really makes a difference to the eye look. And finally for lips, I'm gonna be using this Sephora cream lip stain in the shade 38. So there you go guys, this is the first Valentine makeup look, the more glam look, the full-on makeup look. Next up, you're gonna see the more simple, very quick to create Valentine makeup look. So let's jump into it. Hey guys, welcome to the second Valentine's makeup look. So today, I'm a completely different person. My hair is freshly washed. I'm in my PJs. I've already put on my foundation, but with less coverage. It's the same foundation, the Lancome Tint Miracle, but I haven't spot concealed, so that this look is actually simpler than the first one. So let me stop rambling and get into it. Okay, so I went away for a second to find some tape to put on my eyes, but I haven't found any tape. I only found this like label stickers, so I'm gonna use that today. But even if you have a tape, make sure to put it on the back of your hand first to remove the extra stickiness, because the skin around the eye area is really delicate. So we do that to remove some of the stickiness on the tape or the labels that I'm gonna use. But first, let me prime my eyes, and for this I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser Concealer. I've got the shade Neutralizer. And now for eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Now I promise this look is a simpler look. All I'm gonna use in this look is those two brown shades, the medium one that's called Riff and the darker one that's called Good As Gone. And then I'm gonna need the highlight shade Breakaway and this kind of a gold shimmer. If you have a palette or single eyeshadows that have those colors, and even only those two shades, and use highlighters for those two shades, like if you have a golden highlighter like this and a lighter highlighter like this shade, it's like a satin finish bone color, so it's good for highlighting your brow bone and inner corners. So now I'm gonna take this medium brown shade Riff and I'm gonna run it to my crease. I'll just take it on the brush, tap off the excess and start going back and forth. And you can always build it up, so go easy at first and add on as you go. You can also ignore the tape thing and do your thing in the eyeshadow. You can do it like I'm gonna do, like a lighter inner corner, or you can do a halo eye with a lighter center. You can do whatever you want with the same colors. That's why this look is gonna be easy. You can also use your bronzers for the shades instead of eyeshadow, but you're gonna have to build up the color in order to have the same effect as eyeshadow. And now with a smaller blending brush, I'm gonna be using this chocolate brown color, Good As Gone, and go over the transition shade that we've put first. But I'm gonna focus this color on the outer corner only. And with no extra product, I'll take the first brush and just blend the colors together. After that, I'm gonna be using Stranded, which is this gold shimmer, and I'll apply it to my eyelid using a finger like this. And now I'll take this shade, Breakaway, to highlight my inner corners and brow bone. And now I'm just gonna remove the tape in order to finish up my face makeup, and after that we'll go finish up the lower lash line and the eye makeup. Now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna be using the same shades again. So I'm gonna first take the darker shade here and run it really close to my lower lash line, and then I'll buff it out with the lighter color. And now for mascara, I'm gonna be using this L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic Mascara. I also chose not to put false eyelashes in this video in order to make it more simple for you guys. And it's still so difficult for me to apply false lashes, but you need to practice a lot in order to get the gist of it. But it's really difficult. It's not easy, especially if you have small eyes like mine. And finally for lips, so today we're gonna of course do red lipstick, but first I'm gonna line my lips with this, what's it called, Exaggerate lip liner from Rimmel. Oh, look what happened. Now I'll try to apply it with this flat top. Gotta be careful this time. Oh no!
Oh no! Why is this happening to me?
Okay, so that's enough lip lining. I'm gonna go with the Sephora cream lip stain in the shade 96. I'm pretty sure this has a name. If I find it, I'll put it down here for you guys. But let's apply this red lipstick and get this video over very quickly. So there you have it, guys. This is the second Valentine makeup look. I hope you enjoyed both looks. I hope you found this look more simple than the first one. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell. And follow me on all my social media accounts. Everything will be linked down below. And I'll be curious if you created any of these looks or similar looks or any Valentine look or no looks at all. If you did, please send them to me on Instagram or Twitter or tag me wherever. I would love to see any of your looks. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Even her eyelashes. Hey guys, welcome to day 2 or hey guys, welcome to the second. Hey guys, welcome to the second. Oh no!
Oh